welcome to my channel. My name is London and today I'm going to be doing a full face using only the Fenty Beauty matchstick. So right here I have it's a 12-piece matchstick set, and then I also have a couple full-size matchsticks, but I wanted to take the challenge and see if I can create a whole face aside from my mascara with only using matchsticks. First off, I'm gonna take the matchstick in linen and I'm gonna go through and cover most of my face with this. Now I already primed my eyelids and my face. So now I look like a crazy Indian. I'm gonna take my Sephora 55 brush and blend it out. So now that I got all of the redness evened out, I'm going to take the matchstick in amber and go around and contour my face. So now out of the matchstick set, I'm going to take Cognac and I'm going to bronze with this one. And I'm just going to take it directly on a brush. A little bit on the tip of my nose. I'm gonna move into my eyes now, and I'm first gonna take the Bourjois Brat from the matchstick set with a brush. Next, I'm gonna be taking Riddick, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. And going back in with the Bourjois Brat and just blending it in. So now I'm gonna take pink lemonade and I'm gonna blend this into the inner crease. So now I'm gonna take the matchstick in blonde and I'm gonna put this on the inner part of my lid. I'm also gonna highlight my inner corner with this. Now I'm gonna go back in with Bourjois Brat and go under my lash line with this. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Yacht Light and put this right on that inner corner, kind of blending the gold and the purple together. All right, so for blush, I'm gonna take the color Beach Bum. Now I'm gonna highlight with Champagne Heist. I'm gonna take Platinum Pearl and highlight the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna go right over top of that with Confetti. And then I'm gonna take Starstruck and highlight my brow bone. And so for brows, I'm gonna take Amber and fill in the shape of my brows. And then with Cognac, I'm just gonna define and add some warmth into my brows. That's pretty dang spot on to my normal eyebrow routine. I mean, this looks like how I would normally do my eyebrows. And then for my lips, I'm gonna take the color Hibiscus. And I'm just gonna go in with a brush and define a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Yacht Life just in the center. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna throw a little bit of liquid liner on and some mascara and I'll be right back. All right, and this is the finished look. I managed to use every single one of my matchsticks to do this, which I was gonna do it like a challenge and I was like, can I use all of these? Apparently I can. So this is just gonna turn into using all of my matchsticks to do my full face. But I really like how this looks. It's like super bronzy, orange. I especially like the lips. I'm definitely gonna do this lip more often. Oh, I can't hold them all. Okay, I'm dropping them all. I have to put them back in their home. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to see more videos like this. I also have a ton of stuff coming up, so please hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more of my videos. Come on. Alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.